In this video, we are going to see how to host a video meeting using Zoom. If you want to learn how to join a meeting, please watch the video, How to Join a Meeting on Zoom. To host a meeting, you have to have a Zoom account. Let's create one. Go to zoom.us and click on the Sign Up button. Enter the required information and your email address. Click on Sign Up. A verification email was sent to your email account. Open the email and click on the Activate Account button. Finish setting up the Zoom account, completing the required information like name and password. When you are prompted to invite colleagues, click on Skip this step. Now you have created your Zoom account. You can click on Go to My Account to see your information. Here, you can see your profile and other relevant information like meetings, webinars, and recordings. Let's review the Settings tab. Here, you can change the settings of the meetings, recordings, and telephone. There are many things you can change on Zoom to suit your needs. Now, let's host a meeting. You have two options. You can host a meeting right now, or you can schedule a meeting. In this video, we are going to see how to host the meeting right now. Go on zoom.us. Now go to Host a Meeting and then click on With Video Off. You will be able to turn on the video later. The Zoom app will be downloaded to your computer automatically. Click on it to install it. A new window will show you the installation progress. Once installed, Zoom is going to open automatically and start the meeting. Click on Join with Computer Audio. This is the meeting information. Here you can see the password and the invitation link. Copy the link and send it to the other participants so they can join the meeting. You have to give them the password as well. You can change the meeting settings from the navigation bar. Click on the microphone to mute or unmute. The arrow next to it allows you to select the speakers, microphone, and change audio settings. The same goes for the camera toggle. You can turn it on and off by clicking on it. In the Security tab, you can prevent participants from sharing their screen, use the chat, and more. Clicking on Manage Participants will open a new box. Here you can see all the meeting participants. You can also invite more participants, mute all, or unmute all. Clicking on the Chat tab will open the chat box. You can send messages to everyone or to specific participants. You can also attach files. The Share Screen option will open a new window where you can select what window you want to share. First, select the window and then click on Share. To end the meeting, click on the End Meeting button. Then click on Leave Meeting or End Meeting for all.